is a 35 USD, which is quite expensive for just one tool that can do only one task. Hey guys, AI Wizard here. So I was browsing X today and found this photo. And for my own reasons, I wanted to edit this photo and I want to turn this daytime photo, I think it was taken during daytime, maybe afternoon, I want to turn it into the night. So I want to have night sky and night lighting and so on and so forth. Now, I also remember that one of my friends actually can do this edit for me. He's using Photoshop, but then I realized, hey, why is he paying for Photoshop? That's a lot of money that he's paying for that he can just use AI to automate this work. So now I went to check the Adobe prices and I realized I have to make a video for you guys. So as you can see here, on initial Adobe pricing, it shows just 22 USD, which seems cheap maybe, but it's an annual plan that they're showing and you are not able to cancel it. You will have to pay fees if you cancel it before your 1-year term. Now, the monthly plan is a 35 USD, which is quite expensive for just one tool that can do only one task. And no offense, but the result of your work will depend on you, not the tool. Hence, you will have to pay a lot of money and you might still not get the results that you want. In comparison, right? We have ChatGPT here that can edit pictures for us and it can do a lot more stuff that we already covered in our guides. Not only editing pictures, but all the more stuff. But let's focus on the editing picture. It can do that very well these days. And it only costs 20 USD per month, much cheaper. And I'm pretty sure with all the AI and MCP hype, all the tools that we cover, the price will go down even more. The software is becoming a commodity. It should be cheap. It should be even free, I would say. Right. Now, let's see if ChatGPT can actually accomplish my requirement. So here, we have this photo, right? So I want to turn it into night. So what I did, I sent this photo. I just asked it, could you change the sky to night in this photo? Now my prompt is not very specific. I was just imagining what I have in my head. I just wanted this sky to look like a night. I didn't even realize that there are more to it. So let's see at the result. As you can see here, this picture is now looks like it was taken at a dark night, maybe like 10 p.m., 11 p.m. We have a nice sky with the stars resembling the night. And what it did that I didn't even realize myself, it applied all the correct lights onto the building itself, into the car, people here, and the street itself. So it looks like it was taken at night. And that's a beautiful output for much less money. So yeah, I just want to record a video for you guys about this. Maybe not everyone realizing how great AI tools these days are. And by paying subscription, much cheaper subscription compared to Adobe Photoshop, you're actually getting a lot more features that you can use because this is AI, hey, you can do a lot of stuff. We already covered a lot of use cases and we'll be covering more. At this point, I can't justify paying 35, 45, 55, 65, hundreds, 200s USD for each individual software product that I have because AI can almost do anything these days. And yeah, that's basically it. That's what I wanted to share. And let me mention one thing. If you go to our profile on YouTube here, you can click on this URL. If you're interested in a private way of using AI for your company or your professional use case, just come to this website, myprivatellm.com, link here, and click on free consultation. We will explain everything to you about private AI, how you can use it in your company, and so on and so forth. So that's it, guys. Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye.